Hi, this is Word of TREDEC. Welcome back. I am returning with the creoles, or the model kits made in Venezuela by Lindberg, USA, with the P.D.V.S.A. oil company in Venezuela. Many years ago, 70s, 80s, maybe beginning 90s. This time is for the Hawker Fury in 1/48 scale. As you see, that's a traditional and classical presentation, and the cover is only the picture of the model kit built by a professional modeler. So let's check it out and enjoy the video. Well, two original boxes from Lindberg, original and traditional Lindberg presentations from the 70s. This one is still sealed partially in this original plastic cellophane. I will review this one, okay? You will see the reasons. The cover of this box, it's a medium box, soft cardboard. I don't like it. It's soft. It's too soft. The same cover, the main cover is the same like the other one. So either way, could be a main cover. The sides, no big deal in the sides. Just the name of the aircraft, the Hawker Fury, in 1/48 scale. The plastic model kit. With building instruction in Spanish. Paints and glue are not included. Okay. The kit, Lindberg kit, is the number 918. Okay, this is the sign that this model kit was made in Venezuela by Lindberg de Venezuela Compañía Anónima, under the license of Lindberg Hobbies Inc., Illinois, USA. Copyright for Lindberg Hobbies. All rights reserved. A trademark in the United States, Venezuela, and other countries. Let's get what's inside of this box, and you will see something particular. That's the distinguished display stand exclusive for Lindberg. The plastic bag, original plastic bag, is still sealed, factory sealed, so I don't want to open it. So that's the reason why I'm not going to review this box. So I will use the other one. The building instructions, so simple, with this dry transfers, no decals or water stickers, only dry transfers with trans-clear paper. So maybe I have to use them. Let me check the transparency. They are dry transfers, but original from Lindberg. Okay, this is the letter, the sign for the display stand. I will explain you with the other box. So let's put this away and let's start with this model kit. Let's detail everything. Let's start with the building instructions. Okay, this is the main cover of the building instructions in Spanish. Building instruction, an important note: we have to read carefully all the instructions. They recommend to wash the pieces with alcohol or water before painting. Right, kit 918, the Hawk Fury. Typical on those old model kits, all steps are in just one step. So we got to be so careful with everything we are going to glue or assemble. It's got 52 pieces, the dimensions 16 centimeters length, 18.9 centimeters wingspan. Okay, quickly, all the halves of the fuselage, the cockpit floor, the seats, the panel control, the lower wings, the supports, the struts, the upper wing. We got to be so careful because it's a biplane. No rigging wires included. I included one by myself. I will show you. This is the display stand with the name of the aircraft just right here. I will show you the dry transfers. Okay, everything as you see is in Spanish. They are explaining the steps in the written way, because you have to read it, to read every step, every explanation, and compare to the illustration, right? They recommend to use the testors paintings and even the glue, the cement testors. These for special annotations for the rigging wires, they are not included, but they are offering the many ways to get the wires. The three techniques we all know: the nylon thread, maybe you could use a stretched sprue, or a fine piano wire or the guitar. That's about the building instructions. The markings, sorry, that's so important. The markings, okay. The fuselage, how it looks like, the upper wing and the lower wings, right? These are the no water stickers, no decals. They are only dry transfers with the transclear configuration. The paper, as you see, transclear. They are not in bad condition, but we have to be so careful with the backgrounds. It needs white background in order to remark or get this circle in white, because it is transparent. That's the problem. Gotta be so careful. Okay, if you don't paint a white background, it would be a disaster. It would look in aluminium finishing. So you need the white background. A little bit more work for it. It will take longer. But the squares should be in white color. Maybe the black will look kind of dark gray, so maybe you have to paint this kind of markings, except for the letters, for the registration Kilo 2050. That's the most popular registration for that biplane. I really like this name, the sign of the display stand base. This is the sign of this display stand, and this information should be placed just right here in the white background, because it is also with translucent finishing. Okay, so extra work. The rudder decoration, and this one is for the upper wing. Well, I don't recommend this kind of dry transfers. I prefer the water stickers, original. Yes, these are string from guitar. That's the right rigging system I am going to use. This is not included on the model kit. I added it by myself. This is the trademark. Galley strings, E or first, R500, electric or acoustic sound. The P.D.V.S.A 010 millimeters, 0.25. Okay, let's talk about the display stand. This is a unique Lindberg design. Mostly of the biplanes came with this display stand style, right? And I really love the sign for placing just right here. Okay, let's check the pieces. They are made in white plastic. These are lower wings. Yes, the lower wings. This is the upper with this part. They got to be together. The horizontal stabilizer, the rudder or the vertical fin, the fuselage halves with interesting details, some exhaust pipes and some lines, panel lines and rivets. The plastic is just fine, nothing inside, no big deal inside. Let's check some fitting. Let's check if, yes, nice fitting for the fuselage. You see the slot, yes, for the display stand, just right here, for this tab. Yes. Well, let's check more pieces. Some struts for the wings, the wheels, the panel control, the cockpit floor, the pilot propeller with two blades. Two display stand arms. I think I have to give this to the other model kit. Okay, the wings, struts, wheels. Sorry, this is the center rim for wheels, more struts, more wings, two blades for the propeller. Okay, this is an overall description of this so old model kits. I haven't found them on YouTube, only Airfix or other brands, but not Lindberg. So this is the first one. So, and this is very important, the trans-clear windscreen. It's a little one. It is included on this model kit. Great! That's all about this wonderful kit. So this is an historic and survival. Thank you very much for watching this, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye!